Hello, my name is Kevin Leffler, and I am proud to introduce you to PriorWise, AI prior art search for Atlassian Confluence. This exciting new app uses AI to find similar patents and research papers to your ideas on Confluence, a capability no app currently has. I'm an R&D engineer, and I love to use Confluence as a lab notebook. I record new ideas there as well as developing new ones. It would be a game changer to be able to find prior art in an intelligent and efficient way right from my notes. PriorWise uses forwards to search your selected text via a context menu invocation or search your entire page for similar patents from a content byline invocation. It compares your text to 11 million patents from the United States Patent Office bulk dataset and 11 million research papers from the Semantic Scholar Research Corpus dataset. Now, there are many reasons why someone would want to do a prior art search on Confluence. Firstly, it helps safeguard you against potential legal issues. If your text inadvertently infringes on existing patents, you could face costly lawsuits and legal consequences. Secondly, it promotes innovation and ethical practices. By conducting thorough searches for prior art, you ensure that your work builds upon existing knowledge rather than replicating it, contributing positively to the progress of science and technology. Additionally, it enhances the credibility of your work, demonstrating that you have conducted due diligence in searching for prior art and respecting intellectual property rights enhances your reputation as a responsible and ethical contributor to your field, fostering trust among peers and stakeholders. PriorWise provides you with a representative image, links, authors, and most importantly, a similarity score computed based on the ranking of how similar your idea is to the ideas PriorWise has matched it to. These are both papers and patents if the user chooses. This way you can tell at a glance how similar a given patent or paper might be to your idea. Now, the way it does this is it uses the Patent Quality Artificial Intelligence, or PQAI, set of trained models. Originally an initiative from AT&T, this open source project has published BERT vectorizers, classifiers, bag-of-word classifiers, and a match pyramid re-ranking model, all trained on the task of finding relevant patents and papers to a given piece of text. At a high level, your Confluence text is turned into a representation using BERT where we can find semantic similarities, classify it based on the topic, and then it will rank patents and papers based on how similar they are semantically. This pipeline of pre-trained models is wrapped in a simple REST API, which we use Forge to query. As you can see from our architecture, users invoke PriorWise from Confluence. The text is taken to Forge and sanitized for use in an API query. Forge decrypts the API token, and then we make the request. The resulting similar papers and patents are returned to us, and we use UIKit to display the results beautifully alongside the user's text. Now let's take a look at PriorWise in action. Here's a demo page I've written about differential privacy for language models. Here I've got a content byline invocation link that I can use that'll search this entire page using PriorWise. It's currently taking the entire text, sanitizing it, and then I'm going to get back a list of patents that are similar to the idea I propose here, which is to apply local differential privacy to language models. You can see here the patents are somewhat similar in topic, but aren't the exact same idea. And I get links that'll take me directly to these patents, as well as their IDs and representative images. What if we had a simpler idea than a full page search? What if we just had a little bit of text we wanted to search? Here's an idea for a firefighting drone. I'll just highlight it, send it to PriorWise, it'll start searching, and we get some great pictures as well as some very similar patents and papers. And I can also go to see more to see even more similar patents and papers, along with some more great images. And again, I can click right through and see the patents on Google Patents. Finally, we have a settings page. Here we can exclude or include research papers as well as change the number of results per query. This lets users fine-tune their PriorWise experience. I hope you see the power of PriorWise and see how it'd be useful for inventors, innovators, and engineers using Confluence. Thank you.